Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Here it is, February 14th, 2021, Valentine's Day. This is my doorway. We got 10 feet right there in the back, a good 6 feet in front of me. This is what I came home to last night. I just worked 20 hours with only 4 hours sleep in between shifts. It's been an insane storm up here. I came home and I couldn't even get to my door because the blue roof slid and I was sinking up to my belly button. It took me 5 minutes to go 10 feet last night to get into my house. Check this out. Now I came home from work today and my neighbor surprised me and scooped part of this and boot packed it. Just the beginning. Check this out. We barely had any snow back here, and now check it out. The camera will not do it justice. Look at this. Look at that insanity. We had no cell phone for 2 days. Internet was out for a day. About 10 different sections of highways closed, power lines down. This is one of the biggest storms of the year. Well, actually, it was the biggest storm of the year. But check this out. So yeah, this is when I come around to my back door. This looks so much better than it was last night when I got home. Just utter insanity. This is insane, guys. Anyway, check out my walkway here under the decks. Check out my buddy's truck. This is a huge lifted truck, and there it is. That's absolutely insane. USA, baby. Now we're going to check out my truck. Look at my yard. This is crazy. The Mountainous rig, completely buried. I got a lot of work to do and I can't dig it out for 2 more days, and it's going to snow non-stop for the next 2 days. This place is insane, man. Check it out. You can see where they've plowed and my neighbors have parked their vehicles. I haven't had a chance to move mine yet or dig it out because I work so much. After it snows a few more days, then I can finally dig it out, but you won't even be able to see my truck by then. It's going to take hours to dig my walkways and my truck out. Look at my truck. When I hear people complaining about digging snow, I want to laugh in their face. Say, you don't even know what the hell snow is. There's my rig. That's my Ford Explorer right there. Absolute insanity. We got hit with so much snow during this storm. Take a look. Anyway, guys, I got chains on my boots and it's still so slick I can hardly walk right now. This storm was insane, man. Look at the OT hut. Look at the roof. We got about 4 feet of snow in 2 days and 8 more days of snow coming in a row before the storm ends. Look at that massive pile of snow. That's about 15 feet tall. That's pretty much just from this last push. Look at the road sign. This is freaking nuts, man. 2 jobs and I dig more snow than any man I know. This shit's insane. I pretty much have had no time this winter to do anything fun. Yeah, check out the roads. How big the drifts are. How massive it is. If you guys enjoy my content, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. More fun videos are coming soon. Until the next adventure, Mountainous out.